Whew, I like your honey. It's so round and shiny. There's an airplane. Mr. Rogers, there's an airplane. How is it every time I film a video an airplane shows up? I really want to know that one. Come on, the clock is ticking here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this review I am taking you all the way back to 1968 to one of the most influential science... Alright, ladies, I'm putting my book back in its bag because I like it when my book's in its bag. Just toss that over there. Will you shut the fuck up, you stupid computer? Birds now? Birds. How am I supposed to get anything done? Birds. Oh. Where are you? The clock is ticking. Airplane! RoboCop by Ed Naha. Really, it's Naha. Not Ed 209, Ed Naha. And a motorcycle. Airplane leaves and a motorcycle shuts. Really? Really? Now? You gonna do that? Dum ba da dee dum 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 da dee da ba dum da da dee dum 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 da da dee dum da da dee da ba dum da da dee da dum dum da dee da ba. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the internet. And on the internet, there are dork holes. There are dork holes in many shapes and sizes. Man, they're just airplanes. This is supposed to be a holiday, you know. Airplane's supposed to be... Why can't the pilots have a day off? I don't believe this. The motorcycle left and the airplane came back. It's hot in here, you know.